Alright everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. I am coming here with two price lists of the month of December. Yes, I got two great price lists for you in your budget range you have saved up. Now if you want to buy the system, go ahead on out to your local micro center, Amazon, Newegg. You can click on my affiliate links, or you can click on PC part picker list and you can order them from them. I don't want you buying anything from scalpers. I am tired of seeing content creators do videos of scalper price components that puts it more on the high end level, which it shouldn't. You should pay your MSRP. Only that. That's it. Nothing else. So let's get right into the first one. The first one is based upon the Intel 12th Gen. And y'all keep in mind, we're going in 2025. The 12th Gen, 13th Gen, 14th Gen, 11th Gen, and 10th Gen still rocks. So don't listen to nobody else saying that, oh, the 12th Gen is dead. No, it's not. It's still continuing. It's still rocking. It's still thumping. Let's go. Alrighty. CPU is the Intel i7-12700KF coming in at $180. The L cooler is the Thermalright Burst Assassin coming in at $20.90. The motherboard is the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi at $149.99. The RAM is the Silicon Power Value Gaming, two 16GB sticks at DDR5 coming in at $79.98. The storage is the MSI Spectrum M460 1TB coming in at $59.99. The video card is the Intel Founders Edition Arc B580 overclock 12GB, which is out of stock at this time, and I could not put it in the price list. So when they come back on the market for $249.99, go out to your local micro center and pick you up one. This is the best gaming card for 1080p and 1440p. And if they don't have the Arc B580, you can also get the Arc A770 or the A750, which is the 8GB one. The A770 is the 16GB one. So you cannot go wrong with these GPUs from Intel. The Arc is to the state. The Arc is phenomenal, and the Arc is awesome. When they come back online, please go out to your micro center and get one. The PSU is the MSI Mag A850 PCIe Gen 5 850 watt gold power supply coming in at $104.99. The monitor, yes, I'm putting with the monitor, the keyboard and mouse. The monitor is the Scepter E2758 QPN 168 coming in at $179.99. It is a 27-inch monitor. You cannot go wrong with it. This is just your starter base. A lot of people in 2024 and they're going into 2025 are playing on 27-inch monitors. So, this price is based upon your budget, not someone else's price point. Your budget. Like right now, if I have $1,200 saved up or $1,300 saved up, this is where I'm going. I'm not walking out with the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and my system. The keyboard, y'all know I roll with Red Dragon. I may not buy any of their parts, but they keyboard and the mouse is always in my price list. This is the Red Dragon K582 Surar coming in at $39.99. The mouse is the Red Dragon Moments coming in at $30.99. The whole total of this bill is $1,175.80. You get damn near everything with this here. Monitor, keyboard, mouse. You got your power supply, video card, storage, RAM, motherboard, L cooler, and CPU. All for under $1,200. You cannot go wrong with that. So if you got $1,200, or you may have $1,300, if you may want to switch out the storage to a 2TB, or buy you two MSI Spectrum M460s 1TB, that's 2TB right there. You are good to go. And if you have $1,300, that brings it up to like around my $1,200 and some change, and you cannot go wrong with that. The next build is the AMD build, and this one here is on the AMD Ryzen 7800X3D. Now, y'all keep in mind, I want to do the price list on the Ryzen 7 9800X3D, but y'all keep in mind that CPU is being scalped right now, and I watched a content creator, and I was very angry with him, and I gave him a thumbs down on the video because you go into scalpers to go ahead and do your price list point. That's not how we do this. You know, I don't want nobody spending no more than what they have in their pocket. You spend more, then you should be ashamed of yourself because you don't know how to shop. You was pushed to buy it because you needed it in a hurry. Never buy anything from the scalpers. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D is out of stock. I went to AMD website. It's a $479 CPU. And if it's not at $479, I don't want you paying no more than what you have to. All right, let's get in with this last price list. The CPU is the AMD Ryzen 7 7000X3D, coming in at $349. The CPU cooler is a Montague Hyperflow ARGB 360 AIO, coming in at $99.90. The motherboard is the MSI Pro X870 P Wi-Fi ATX AM5 motherboard, coming in at $229.99. The RAM is Team Group T Create Expert 64 gigabyte. That's 232 gigabyte per stick. Coming in at DDR5 6000 megahertz at CL34. Coming in at $159.99. The storage is the Crucial T70 1TB M.2 280 PCIe Gen 5 X4 NVMe, coming in at $139.99. The GPU is the MSI Ventus 2X Black overclocked GeForce RTX 4060 Ti 8GB, coming in at $379.99. The case is the Montague XR ATX Micro ATX case. What I'm talking about, ATX mid-tile case. Sorry about that. That's coming in at $74.90. The power supply is the MSI Mag 850GL 80 plus gold certified fully modular power supply, coming in at $89.99. If you act now, you can go ahead and get a $10 mail-in rebate, which bring the cost down to $89.99. This is why I'm doing the video, because it's a lot of good stuff on these prices that are on sale. Now, y'all keep in mind, all the price lists, all the PC part picker lists will be in the description below, as well as my affiliate links, etc. So, let's go ahead and keep this party moving. The monitor is MSI Mag 27CQ64 6F 27-inch 2560 by 1440 180 hertz curved monitor, coming in at $179.99. The keyboard, as you know, was in the other price list. The Red Dragon K552 coming in at $36.99, and the Red Dragon Mammoth wireless laser mouse coming in at $30.99, bringing this whole total bill to $1,771.72. Not no $6,000 price list. With $6,000, I could probably build 3 of these here. Easy. And this is where I want you to go. If you got that kind of money saved up, if it's $2,000, $3,000, you could go ahead and buy you a whole entire system with that price point. And this price point is well under $1,800. That was the budget, was $1,800. That's how much I wanted you to spend. Now, if you want to add the RTX 4090, you'll be spending $1,999 plus. All depends on what type GPU you're getting from your manufacturers. Alrighty, that concludes the price list of the month of December. Just like I said, I don't want you spending no more money, and I do not want you buying from scalpers. When I saw a couple of videos on YouTube, because I wanted to do the build with the best gaming CPU that's out right now is the Ryzen 7 9800X3D. And when I saw a couple of content creators putting in scalper price, the damn CPU was costing $815. I don't want you to spend that. I want you to spend only $479 MSRP, which is manufactured suggested retail price. And you could get it from AMD when the Intel Arc B580 Founders Edition come out. Go to your local micro center or click the intel.com, and I'll be putting their website. Everything I'm talking about will be in the description below, so you don't have to sit down here and be second guessing, should I buy this, should I pay this much money, because y'all keep in mind, I am sick and tired of high price lists. I am sick and tired of content creators forcing us to buy from the scalpers. They forcing our hand because they know we want it fast, we want it now, and we want it in a hurry. Me, I don't have to rush to buy anything. I take my time. When they come back on the market, this is one thing I'm giving y'all my knowledge. When things hit the market, check your local stores. Micro Center, most definitely, because they always have it. And Amazon, if you can. If not, if it's overpriced, don't buy it. Thank y'all for watching the price list of the month of December. I want y'all to have a wonderful and happy Christmas. And I'll see y'all in my next price list. 2025 is around the corner, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. Peace.